I repurposed a cabinet from the garage, got stuff out of it I haven't used in 12 years. Saw some stuff when I was a kid in there. That was awesome. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the cabinet out here under the awning now. All right, so there she is. 36 inches wide, 15 inches deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinets. Of course, the doors come out, go down like that. I've got a couple of these. Over the years, I've had to, on different clients, I've had to find things to do with them. I've given them away, taken them to the scrap yard, make money off of them, keep some of them, but I've gone through thousands of these. And what they did was there were files in there. I got their files, put them in boxes that I sold them, and indexed it all and stored. That's one of my businesses. Anyway, so we're going to put, okay, you see it, don't you? Let's go over here and talk. Maybe turn the radio down. I'll show it when it's full too. Alright y'all, this is more like a vlog, so I should be doing this on my Papa Texas Unfiltered. If you want to check that channel out, I try to do a few things behind the scenes. I'm starting to do mail call over there, other things in life other than what I do on this channel. I'm trying to move this channel more to just cooking. So I quit losing subscribers. And of course I've got a Papa Texas air fryer channel. I'm hardly ever on there, but that's all that goes on that one is air fryers. Still, air fryers do happen on here now and then. I've got a chicken one coming up. Let's get back to the cabinet. Papa, can we turn that music down a little bit? It's not going to be monetized, so I'm not worried about it. Turn the fan off. Yeah, I've got lights all around here. I just don't like turning them all on unless I don't have the spots on me and all that kind of stuff. It's just too hot. It's 98 degrees. Anyway, what I'll tell you. So on this cabinet here, I'm fixing to go and find my stuff that's all over the place, and it's hard to find. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna load it for now. There's a wasp. I'm gonna load it for now, and then I'll show it to you here at the end, what I put in there. I'm gonna take those little blue tubs out. I'll give some of them away. I could probably use a few of them, but I didn't. It's just from a project I did at work. And anyway, I'm gonna get my stuff in there. I may use some of those tubs with some of my products and stuff, but I also, let me show you this. Don't get scared now. Can you see back here? So this tub is full of cooking stuff. This tub is full of stuff. It used to be a bench. The one in the middle is my fishing stuff. I don't know if you could hear me when I walked over there. So I have a lot of cooking stuff in here. And I used to go camping with me. I sold the RV. No more RV. And you know, I'm old. I don't want an RV anymore. Actually, I do everything out here that I used to do when I went camping and everything. So I'm at home, you know. Let me get the stuff in there and I'll show you what I got. We'll be right back. From now on though, I need to be putting these on the Unfiltered channel, not this channel, but it's towards my cooking stuff is why I did it on this channel. And if you're new to Papa Texas, man, hit that red subscribe button and follow me. Hit that like button. Outdoor cooking with Papa. Somewhere over there. Papa Texas, Papa Unfiltered. I mean, Papa's Kitchen. All right, let me get this loaded and I'll show you. By the way, if you've never heard me say it before, apple sticks, you look, they're thicker. I think it's zoomed in. And I tell you what, so these are better skewers, I think, and they're shorter, but they work fantastic because they're thicker. They're not those little thin ones. Think about that. Well, there's where I'm at right now. I'm going to change things up. These items in here, I'm going to put them in a deep cabinet so I can set them up. Those will be the like knives and things like that. There's a bunch of items I haven't even used yet Got my foil right there. I'm starting to put some pots and pans down there. And my cast iron down there. I know. I got a light right there. I just don't have it on. It's for my dartboard. Well, that's where we're at. Alright, so I got the light on. This is what you got. This is just the start of it, y'all. And I think I might have told y'all, this stuff's coming out. It's going to go in a different cabinet so it can stand straight up. And then check this door out. Yeah. It's Papa Texas. Papa Texas and Maddie. Uncle Steve Shag. Strong's Adventures. Papa and Billy. Yeah. Ain't that cool? There you go. That's what I had for you. We'll see you on the tubes. We're cleaning up around here, ain't we? We sure is. We'll see you on the next cooking show, whichever one that is. Stay blessed. See you.